All of you. Today we are going to start with a new topic, although it is not new as such, but we'll start it differently. So the name of the topic is types of sentences. We are going to consider three types of sentences: simple, compound, and complex. Now, before we move forward, we need to understand that what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. If I say, I may use speak, I speak this, you will not understand the main idea of what I'm trying to say. But if I say, I will go to a party today, full stop. I am giving you a complete sense. I'm giving you a complete idea. So this becomes my sentence. The first kind of sentence is simple sentence. So I am going to break it from here. It becomes simple. So I'll take this P, I'll take this S. S means subject, P means predicate. A sentence that has a subject and a predicate is called a simple sentence. Ram is naughty. Ram is naughty. So this sentence has a subject and the subject is Ram, and if I break the sentence before a verb, is naughty becomes the predicate. A simple sentence has a subject and a predicate. Now, next comes the compound sentence. When I talk about the word compound. So there are two or more independent clauses. Simple sentence is also known as an independent clause. Simple sentence is also known as an independent clause. When two independent clauses are used together, in order to join them, we use coordinating conjunctions, and this is the rule. Although there is a change in this rule, so we have done it in the class. When I talk about for is used instead of because, right? And for means when we give the reason. There is an action, we put a comma, we write for, and then we give the reason. So it's action for reason. It is just opposite to the word so. It is reason, comma, so action. We have already done it in the classroom or in the previous classes, so I'm not repeating it again. And is used to show addition, nor is used to show negative agreement. It is not written here. Nor is used to show negative agreement, but is used to show something opposite, or is used to show choice, yet is a formal usage of but only, right? Okay. There are two coordinating conjunctions in which we do not use a comma, that is and or. Apart from that, how do we make a compound sentence? We take sentence 1, we put a comma, we write fanboys, that is any of the coordinating conjunction, and then we write sentence 2. Right? Sentence 1, comma, conjunction, sentence 2. Now, the last part is, although I'm going to make a detailed video on complex sentences, but here I'm giving you a gist of it. Now, I have deliberately broken the word into two parts, complex. Complex. So what is happening here? Let me use the pen. Yes. What is happening here? Uh, Comple means complete, X incomplete. Compel is principal, X is subordinate. So when I talk about this two term, principal means main or important, most important. This principle is different from the principles. Okay, please check the spellings. We can also remember this as the head of the institute. So principal is the head of the institute, and the head of the institute has various subordinates under her or him. So these subordinates are dependent, and principal is also dependent on the subordinates, but the permission, or that is the main important person, right? That person is independent of other things. हम ऐसे learn कर सकते हैं complex. So a complex sentence is a sentence which is a combination of an independent clause and a dependent clause. Right, I'm going to share a detailed video of a complex sentence in next section. So that is our simple overview of the types of sentences.